Metropolitan Industries has been a leader in providing innovative package pressure booster systems for potable and non-potable applications for over 65 years. Standard and custom systems are all designed with 3D modeling, allowing for precision manufacturing and customization for various project applications. Steel base frames are fabricated to support the entire system and incorporate a split design to allow the ease of maneuvering the system into the mechanical room. Vertical multi-stage pumps offer the widest range of performance for various pumping applications. Alternate pump configurations are available, including end suction pumps, inline pumps, and other specialty pumps. ASME Section 9 welded fabricated piping with multiple configurations available, including cut groove or flanged system connections. Our Scotch Coat 3M Fusion Bonded Protective Coating is good for system temperature up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit and rated for potable water applications. Stainless steel is also available. Standard packages all include individual isolation valves and check valves for each pump on the system. Where required, suction check valves are also included. Even when not required by code, every pump system includes a high temperature and high pressure safety relief device, commonly referred to as a safety tree. Should a high temperature or high pressure situation occur, the relief device will discharge the water safely to a drain header that is routed to a nearby floor drain. Visual liquid-filled pressure gauges and digital pressure transducers provide accurate pressure monitoring both locally and to the control system. By far, the solution that separates Metropolitan Industries from other package pump systems is our PLC-based custom-programmed pressure control system. The MetroTech 3 Standard and Pro Control solution is user-friendly with a large color touchscreen. Intuitive and easy to use, the controller provides the supervisory control over the variable frequency drives to maintain a constant desired pressure in the building and, when able, shut the pumps off during periods of no or low demand. Providing solutions, not only products, is our goal. We believe in a single source responsibility to assist you with a package pump system for any application. Please don't hesitate to contact us for more information on your next project.